Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and today we have the second video on how to test a smartphone produced by Sony. To test the phone, we will be using the application built in by the manufacturer. The interface and the process for testing are as simple as possible, and therefore we will show only the process itself without unnecessary comments. I want to note that this function is not supported by all models of Sony Xperia, but I think you can focus on the version of Android 7.0 and above. Let's test.
Microphone check. Microphone check.